Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I want to say Happy New Year, Happy 2026. This is the first official video after the holidays, you guys, and I am in my formal living room and dining room, and I'm trying to get my space put back together after Christmas. As you can see from this clip, I did go ahead and take down all of my Christmas decor after the New Year's, so I did put all that stuff away, but now I just want to get this space cleaned up and refreshed. Well, not refreshed. In this video, we're just going to clean it up and put the furniture and everything back together, and then I'll bring you guys back along in another video to show you how I decorate this space after the holidays. I love decorating for the holidays and the Christmas season, but once Christmas is over, I am so itching just to get my home back together and just free of all of the large Christmas trees and all the ornaments and clutter and everything. I just want to get my space back to being clean and serene and not having all of the clutter of the Christmas decor in my space. So I'm so happy to get this room put back together. So if you're new here, my name is Trina. I share all things home decor. So I would love to have you stay and subscribe and become part of our decorating family. And to all my beautiful subscribers, hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all for stopping by and watching another video. So each year, I like to set goals for myself. I really don't set New Year's resolutions, but for me, I like to set a few goals for myself. There's something that I know that I need to work on that I would like to see improved in the new year. So by doing goals, I think it's easier to achieve, and it's more realistic for me to achieve than setting a New Year's resolution. So one thing I really want to work on this year is eating out less and working on forming good eating habits. So that I'm putting healthier choices and healthier things into my body. I partner with a company called Hypnosio, which is a self-hypnotherapy app designed to transform your weight loss journey by addressing the root causes of weight management challenges. Unlike traditional weight loss methods, which can solely focus on diet, Hypnosio harnesses the power of your subconscious mind to create lasting behavioral changes. You can access Hypnosio one or two ways. The first way is through the website or through the app like you see me using here. Hypnosio works really well if you are a parent, a busy professional, or a post-pregnancy mom. This app is definitely for you. Hypnosio works because it rewires your eating behaviors for long-term change. It also helps you identify emotional eating and triggers. One thing I love about the Hypnosio app is that it's also backed by research. So the studies show that participants using hypnotherapy lost 2 times more weight than those using traditional methods alone. It also showed that sustained weight loss maintained for 18 or more plus months after stopping therapy. It also showed that hypnosis-based programs reduce BMI and emotional eating significantly compared to standard diets. So if you want to try something different to help you combat your weight loss and to work on your weight loss goals for this year of 2026, definitely click my link down in the description box below to save 15% off of your first subscription. Thank you to Hypnosio for sponsoring today's video. So I'm just going ahead and giving everything actually a deep clean, you guys, because this room has so much glitter and dust. One thing, when you put up all your Christmas decor and everything, it always leaves the rooms feeling a lot of very dusty and always have debris left left everywhere. You can't really hardly see it from the camera, but even though my trees barely had any glitter on it, it seems to me you always have some form of glitter and Christmas remnants always all over the place. So I like to go in and kind of dust everything down and then wipe it down with some multi-purpose spray. And then I usually try to go in and sweep up the floors in here really good first, because all these little glitter and beads and all this stuff, it usually gets stuck in my vacuum cleaner. So I try to give everything a good sweeping and cleaning it up that way first before I actually start to vacuum everything. But as you can see here, this is a close-up of all of that glitter and garland debris from that garland being up there on my credenza. So yeah, I'm just taking everything and putting the last little remnants up, and then I'm going to go ahead and just get everything cleaned up. And I'm going to leave the living room like this. I'm not going to change it around. I really like the format and the layout of this space. So right here, I am going to put a little black console table here to add a little bit of decor formality to this little space here, since the Christmas tree is gone. So yeah, but you guys will see that in the upcoming video of how I actually redecorate this space after Christmas. But for now, I'm just want to go ahead and just do a little bit of cleaning, get everything put up, and just enjoy the space in its neutral set before I actually put any major decor or anything in here. So I did take down all of my Christmas decor it was definitely before New Year's. I know that can be controversial because some people don't take theirs down until after New Year's. But for me, I decorate so early here that I just have to take everything down before the New Year's holiday. And then I'm glad I did, because I had my mom here in town and she actually helped me to put everything up, because it is a task and a job in itself, just taking down all of that holiday decor and putting it away. This year, I thought I was on the minimalist side of putting up decor, but actually when it was time for me to take everything down, it still seemed like it was a whole lot. So I think next year I'm just going to focus on doing one tree and just adding in bits of Christmas here and there, so that it's a lot easier on me and it's not a lot of work taking down all of the Christmas trees and all of the major decor. Especially now, since I do have one of my children have moved out of the house, so I still have two here. But for the most part, it's only me taking down the decor and putting it store away. So it can be a task and chore if you're the only one decorating and putting everything away. So next year, I think I'm just going to focus on just doing one tree and then sprinkling bits of Christmas here and there throughout my home. So I found this really cute vase during, I think the week of Christmas at Home Goods. Really love the finish on it, so pretty. So I decided to add it here to my mantle, and then I'm just gonna add in these greenery stems or these little faux cypress branches just for now, just to kind of, so it's not too bare after the holidays. So these branches I actually had inside of my Christmas tree as picks, so I'm just gonna add it here to this vase. I am going to rework this area a little bit after, probably within the next week or so. I did order some wall sconces, and I'm going to change up the look of this area above the fireplace just a little bit. As you can see, I did add that black table to the side, so I'm also going to restyle it. But I think it looks nice in that spot, especially since the Christmas tree was there before. I think it works as a nice filler piece in the backdrop. But yeah, I mean, I did buy some new pieces to go on that table as well. So yeah, you guys will see all of that in the upcoming video. But for now, I'm just taking my broom and I'm going to go ahead and just sweep up all of my rugs and my flooring, because like I said, I do have a lot of debris on the floor from my Christmas trees and everything. So yeah, I'm just going to get all of that cleaned up. I'm going to remove these pillows because I'm going to spot clean my sofa a little bit. I'm just going to use a little a rag with some little Dawn dish soap to clean out, because I have a couple of pink spots on here. I think some of the ornaments that I had, I set them on my sofa when I was trying to get them packed away, and some of the glitter and some of the stain from the ornaments have gotten on my sofa. So you see me just wiping here with a little soap and water and just trying to get those spots cleaned up. I do Scotch Guard all of my furniture, so most of the stains are real easily to clean up. So that's one thing I love about using Scotch Guard, because anything that gets on your furniture, you just need a little soap and water and it usually comes up with no problems. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it brought you some motivation to get up and maybe put away your Christmas decor or to get your house cleaned and reset after the holidays. Thank you again to Hypnosis for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.